Hello friends, welcome you all. Today in this lecture, we have planned to discuss the importance of bank assurance for customers. In the last lecture, we were discussing about the importance of bank assurance for banks. So let us discuss which points makes it important of bank assurance for customers. So in the previous lecture we have seen the what is bank assurance and the meaning of bank assurance. So bank assurance is a relatively new idea in financial sector. The belief or theory behind this bank assurance is to combine the marketing capabilities and selling culture of insurance companies with the distribution network and sizable customer base of banks. So here the two abilities of insurance companies and the banks combined together, that is the marketing capabilities and selling culture of insurance company and distribution network and sizable customer base of banks. So selling an insurance through the bank is the new idea in the financial sector. So here the insurance company is taking the benefit of the sizable customer base created by banks and reputation and the trust of customers on the bank compared to insurance agents or other insurance distribution channels. So bank assurance is the recently came in the financial sector. In this arrangement, insurance products are traded through the broad distribution section of the banking services, accompanied by a comprehensive range of banking and investment products. In short, bank assurance has a tremendous chance, if appropriately implemented, to be a win-win situation for banks, insurance and insurance companies and customers. So in this arrangement, insurance products are traded through the broad distribution section of the banking services and with the banking products. So now let us discuss the actual what is the importance of bank assurance for customers, why bank assurance customers should buy, or why they have more propensity to buy the bank assurance from the bank. So customer expect the same kind of responsiveness from their banks and financial service providers as well. So the advantage of bank assurance is just that first is right products. So it provides the end users a customized insurance solution, and second is at a location. So at the same location customer gets all financial services at a time. So they already are for their financial needs, their banks. So a right time and a right product they gets from a bank. So this improves the overall experience of the customer. They are more likely to opt for a complete financial solution for their banks, thus making bank assurance a success. So customer gets the right product right at the right time and the right location. Means when customer goes to the bank, he gets the all the services under one roof. Next is the convenience. So in a Brazil there is a survey conducted in 2017. Around 1400 retail bank customers in 7 Brazilian cities Convenience topped the list of reason the customer choose to purchase insurance at their banks. So convenience is the reason which got the top place when Brazil conducted survey in under the 1400 banks in the Brazilian cities, 7 Brazilian cities. So the convenience is very important from the viewpoint of customer, and this is the research proved it. So the one of the main advantage of bank assurance is this: a customized insurance product at a reduced price along with expert guidance. So customer getting the insurance in a same place where he find all the financial services, so one stop shop, and the convenience is the important from the customer point of view. Here one survey is conducted and you can see the top reasons for purchasing insurance at the bank. So you can see here the convenience gets the 35% weightage, or the 35% customer buy bank assurance because of the convenience. Second thing is customer buy the second thing is the cost, so it gets 20%, bank reputation get 10%, and recommendation is 7%. So if you see this survey or this research, you will find that the convenience is the topmost reason why customers buy bank assurance at the bank or insurance at the bank. So here age category mentioned here, 18 to 35, 42% people wants convenience, and that's why they purchase bank assurance. Under the 35 to 44 age category, 27%, 45 to 54, 35. Around you will find 30 to 45% people or customer buy insurance at bank because of the convenience. So convenience is the top preference of the customer to and that's why they buy the insurance at a bank. Cost get the second place, brand reputation is third place, and recommendation is fourth place. Next reason or next importance of bank assurance for customer is trust. So customers generally trust their banks to sell them the right product. So generally customer have the belief that the bank is the most trusted financial product provider. So the trust they would place on insurance carriers and independent agents is comparatively lesser. So therefore the propensity to buy insurance product from their bank is higher. So trust, the customers have more trust on the bank because they have the traditional belief in their mind that the bank will sell them a right product, and they are getting the services from banks from many years, and they got the trust of bank that bank will sell them a right product, and bank is the place where there is no doubt about the any product or any transaction with them. So this is the importance of bank assurance for customers. Next is one-stop shop for all financial needs. So bank assurance distribution model allows the customers to get an the a combination of other financial services under the one roof. So insurance used to be the missing piece of the puzzle which bank assurance now completes. So before bank assurance, the bank used to provide all the financial needs or all the financial services for customer, but the insurance was not there. But now one stop shop for all financial needs created, which is a bank assurance now completed these needs also. That is the customers get all financial needs at a one place. Next is expert advice. So banks sit on mounts of customers' data. This along with insurance carriers' expertise in packaging insurance products. So this helps the alliance suggest the right product, and customers also recognize this expertise majorly because of their trust in their bank. So banks have the expert staff or expert advisors. So customer generally trust on the expertise staff and expertise advisor of the bank. So they get the expert advice along with the insurance product. Next is the easy of renewals. So bank being the front dealing with customers handle renewal as well, so making the transaction your more hassle free. So generally people get the inconvenience at the insurance companies. So bank have the reputation to deal fastly, and bank being the front dealing with the customer, so the handle renewal becomes more hassle free, or the renewal of insurance becomes more easy at the bank. So one survey conducted, and one survey quoted that above 52% of insurance customers from banks stated their willingness to renew their policies. So this was against a dismal 90% of insurance customers from non-banking channel willing to renew. So here 52% insurance customers have the willingness to renew their policies at a bank. So also with new technology and data access for the bank assurance channel, tracking the renewal is very easy now, and the bank have the better technology than insurance companies, we can say, and they have the data access, tracking the renewal. It's very easy. So bank have the better advantage than the insurance companies. So here the customers want to buy insurance from the bank because of this reason. There are some more advantages to the customers, that is enhanced convenience. Customers get the convenience when he goes to the bank, and he can do insurance work also with the banking work, and he or she do not have to visit another office, or to go for in the insurance company's office or etc. He can or she can go at the bank and will get all the financial product at one place. So the convenience enhanced here. One stop shop for all financial needs. He get all financial need at one place, even investment products, deposit products, insurance products, and all other financial services he get at a one place. Then innovative and better product range. So banks have continuous upgradation in the technology, upgradation in the services, upgradation in the products. So innovative and better product range he gets from the bank, and the bank is the most trusted location for the customer. So this is the advantage for the customer. More credible solution. People generally trust on the bank compared to uh, insurance agents or other traditional distribution channel of the insurance companies. So the more credible solution they get from the bank, because bank is the trusted institution from the viewpoint of the customer, because the customer have the long relationship or long traditional trust location, because the bank have provided many services from uh, long period of time for the customer. So it creates the more credible solutions, and the customers find it easy, or it find is trustworthy to purchase bank assurance from bank. Next is improved processing time. Bank have the data servers, and actually the insurance companies also have. But compared to insurance companies, the banking sector, you will find that they have more technological changes and improvement in the data processing time. So the processing time in the bank is very less compared to the insurance companies, and they have the technological database, and all the technological solutions available with them. So friends, that much in this today's lecture. We have seen today the importance of bank assurance for customers, with the point that is the customers get the right product at the right time, convenience for them. We have discussed about the one survey which customer preferred more convenient than other reason, that is cost, brand reputation, and recommendation. Then trust and one stop shop for all financial need we have seen. Then expert advice and easy of renewal we have seen, discussed. And the here one survey, we uh, have seen how the 52% of the insurance customers wants the easy of renewal of their insurance policies, and other reasons and other importance for customers we have seen in this lecture. In the next lecture we are going to discuss another point. Write your name in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.